Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Fortnite freezing every few seconds on PC, so you can get back to smooth gameplay and avoid those frustrating stutters. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your PC meets the minimum and recommended requirements for Fortnite. So you can just go to the official website where you can find the information. Okay, so as you may notice that the recommended system requirements, it is going to be at least NVIDIA GTX 960, AMD R9 280 or equivalent. And the memory should be 16GB RAM or higher, hard drive and NVMe solid state drive, and the OS should be Windows 10 or 11 and 64-bit. Now, if your hardware is below these, you may need to lower settings or upgrade. And then the next option that you can do is you may need to update the graphics driver. Now, for NVIDIA, you just have to open the GeForce Experience drivers and check for updates. Okay? And then for AMD users, you might want to go to the AMD Adrenalin, and for Intel, use the Intel driver and support assistant. After updating, restart your PC, launch your Fortnite to see if that works. Another option that you could do is close any background apps. Alright, so press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task manager and tasks you don't need, like browsers, Discord, maybe Spotify, that you don't need when playing Fortnite, because you want to make sure no heavy downloads or updates are running in the background. And then the last option that you can do is going to be by verifying the Fortnite game files. How do you do it? So open the Epic Game Launcher. From here, go to Fortnite. Okay. Click the library. There should be 3 dots on the Fortnite. I want you to click the manage and then click the verify. What will happen is this will check and repair any corrupted files that cause freezing. And then the last option that you can do is go to the Windows settings. Go to the control panel, and I want you to click the hardware and sound. Now go to the power options and click the select high performance. Now if you are using AMD, you might want to use the balance, but here I am going to use the high performance. All right, because this gives you the ability to change the default to high performance. That's one way. And then you might want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, because freezing can feel like lag. You need to test your ping, add speed test, use a wired connection, or move closer to the router for stability. Alright? And again, you can also check Fortnite's official Discord server to see if any of the active players or community members have experienced the same issue. They're usually very accommodating and happy to help with inquiries. And of course, you can also check Fortnite's official support site to see if they can provide help or troubleshooting guide. And that's it for today's video. Try all these steps in order and you should see a big improvement in Fortnite performance. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and drop a comment if you have any questions or found a simple fix to the problem so that we can help together. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy gaming, and we will see you again in the next video.